Hello, good morning, guys. So now I'm Crypto Catalyst here. So today I would like to talk about the Bitcoin chart. So here, let's us go to the Bitcoin chart below. So as you can see, we are long time no do some technical analysis for about 2 weeks. So now we are back. So now let's us back to the chart. So let's us close this MA chart below. So we can see that for the 1 day chart, the Bitcoin reached the top of the 25K within the last week and currently moved some sideways to about 23K. So now we can see that the 25K is the last time resistance. We know that the Bitcoin managed to stay for above 25, 24.8K, 25K for about 1 week, hit for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit for 5 times, but not able to break through it. So currently it will back to retest the 23 and 21K support line here. So let's just go to the what I think is the most important chart. So let's go to the 1 month chart. So then we can see for the 1 month chart below, when the Bitcoin turned the top 69K in the 2021 November, currently the price already dropped down to the bottom 15K and currently is the moving uptrend for a 3 consecutive green candle until 23.69K. So we know that yesterday the price closed at the green candle here with around the 23K, which is very bullish. So we might see some bullish signal here for about the 1 to next 2 weeks. So let us go open one of the important thing, TD. So we can see that for the TD here, usually there will be about 13, which means indicator to top. So here is a 3, so it's not valid. So currently 9, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. If possible, we can see the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for about 9 to reach the top around 35K, which is the last few video I talked about. So it's quite possible for the September we reach for the top. So let's just see how it's go. So let's go to the 1 week chart and go and see. So for the 1 week chart, we can clearly see it currently is a moving uptrend and stay above the 23K, which is very bullish for me. So I think if you had any spot position, you will much better to hold and don't want to sell it because we can see that currently Bitcoin is really hold above the 23K. So let's just go to the 1 day chart. So as you can see for the 1 day chart currently is of 1 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 indicate that this might be some new uptrend here because we maybe come to retest the 25K for the near maybe 1 to 2 weeks. So we might see. Maybe we do need to take note about this Friday for the economic news from the US. So we might need to look about the Bitcoin chart and see clearly. So let us go to the Ethereum. Might see some Ethereum chart. So we can see that for the 1 day chart, Ethereum also quite similar with the Bitcoin. However, for me, I think that Ethereum is much not that strong like Bitcoin because last time the Ethereum able to break through go to the 20K, go to the 2000 and the price around last time August. But currently the Ethereum only able to go to the 16K. So I think Ethereum is not as good as Bitcoin. But we might see because Ethereum, they will have the Shanghai update around this month or maybe the next one on the April. So this might be the one of the best catalysts for us to look through the Ethereum chart. So let's go to the Bitcoin chart. Also one more thing, we might go to look at the S&P 500 index. So S&P 500 index also quite similar. Currently is downtrend, the low getting lower and the high getting lower. But currently we might see if the S&P 500 able to hold for the 39K around 3,900 here or maybe hold about 39 something here. So we might see is the lower getting higher and the higher getting higher, which indicate that the bear market already have some weak movement. So let's see for the most important thing, MA. So we can see for the moving average for 1 day, currently is moving downward a bit. So let us go to a 2 day, 3 day. So you can see currently the 3-day, currently the moving average a bit slopey, so we might see some straight line maybe in the next few one, 5-day or even 1 week chart. So you can see the S&P 500 is, there will be some not that bullish anymore from the last 3 months. So currently we might see from the next few weeks, maybe the next few one, and see whether the S&P 500 will go even bearish or stay above 29k and eventually go to the next. How I cannot say that we will straight away go to the bull, but I think that in the next year we might see the S&P 500 go back to retrace the 48k and maybe able to break through, well, not 48k, 4,800 price, maybe go to the all-time high maybe in the next 1 to 2 years. I think it's quite high possible because in the long term, US market, the inflation will keep going up. So for me, as long as the inflation maintain at around 4 to 5% around the high time, all of the asset will eventually go up in the value because the fiat keep the depreciation also. So people, the rich people, they will go and buy the asset, like they will choose S&P 500. But we know that the Bitcoin, Ethereum crypto market is a new type of gold, it's a new market. There will be a much better opportunity. Actually, as you can know that the Bitcoin, Ethereum, the market cap is quite small. Actually, for the whole Ethereum, whole crypto market, it's not even as big as one company, Apple, in the US market. So we might see how it's going on in the next. So for my conclusion, I think that as long as the Bitcoin able to hold above 23k, we no need to have so bearish. So we might need to wait, and we eventually will break through the 25k within the next few weeks. If not, we were able to maybe do some weekly movement, maybe the sideways movement, and stay above 23k. As long as we stay above 23k, we will have bullish signal. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.